Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to set mobile hotspot on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to connections and here select mobile hotspot and tethering and turn on the button against mobile hotspot. Now click over mobile hotspot and here you are seeing network name, password, band, etc. Okay, click on network name. Here you can change hotspot name. Okay, so here I set it to Galaxy A15 5G and click on save. And if you would like to set password for your hotspot, click on password here and then click on security and here select a security type. Here type a password of your choice. Minimum character should be 8. You can use letters and numbers or numbers only or letters only. Here for demo purpose just I give simple password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Minimum 8 characters should be used and click on save. Okay, then in band you can select 5 gigahertz or otherwise you can keep in 2 gigahertz. Okay. Now go to home screen. Your hotspot is ready to use and bring another device. Here I have another device. In this device you have to go to Wi-Fi. Go to Wi-Fi and you have to click on the signal you received from your phone. This is the signal, hotspot signal from Galaxy A15 5G and click on it and you have to supply the password that you set in Galaxy A15. I have set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and I have given and click on connect. It will be connected. Yes, it is connected. So in this way you can easily set mobile hotspot and share mobile hotspot to other devices in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.